Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Blender on your computer. The Blender, okay? So link in the description, just click on the link and you will see this website. And after that, just click on this green button, download latest version. Click on it, wait for 2-3 seconds and this will pop up. I already downloaded this, that is why it is showing me like this. Otherwise it will start downloading for you. When I click OK, it is showing me that download complete, 68 MB. Wait for a few seconds or minutes, depend on your internet speed, and after that, when you finish downloading, then just open the software, double click on it and or open. After that, you will see this and click on next. I agree. Next again. Click next. Click install. Click yes. Now it is installing. Okay. Completed the Blender setup wizard. Click finish. Okay. So this is Blender. Let's open this. Open it. This is it, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is for you. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video.